Okay, in the last session I have created the employee list page and create page.
Yeah.
In this session I will start edit and delete. Then for that, go to the employee page and edit for the write the code for the edit. Public I action result edit, pass the ID int ID. You can copy. Okay, write the code on here. Employee by data is equal to underscore db dot employee dot find ID like view model is equal to new employee model. Here the object of this. If data not is equal to null, then model dot id is equal to data dot employee ID. Data dot employee model dot name is equal to data dot name. Model dot address is equal to data dot address. Model dot department is equal to model data dot department ID. And model dot employee ID is equal to data dot employee ID. And also vivek dot department, this is for dropdown, is equal to underscore db dot department. Okay, this data based on ID, data come from the employee table, and set this create of the object employee model create set value for this for main purpose of set value in this model. If data not equal to null, set value in this model from the DB. And this for the bind the data in the drop down and return view create view name is create and pass data on here data. This data go to the view page. This is for the edit, and when edit when edit the data, then I for that write the code. Copy, paste, HTTP, post, okay, on here, pass the model, employee view model, okay, and here, if on here, add the code on here. This is not this code. Employee is equal to employee set value on here. employee ID is equal to employee ID is equal to model dot employee ID. Name is equal to model dot name. Address is equal to address model dot address. Department ID. There is a field I when I edit the data, set this field on the model. Remove this. This data set on this, and after that underscore db dot imply dot on here. Change this value 8. Replace this 8 to update. Update. This will change on here. And after that, return direct to action. And direct to action. If model state is valid, then go to inside this. If model state is not valid, then reset the drop down. For that,
Okay.
write the code vivek dot department vivek dot departments is equal to this, that to list. Set value. Page code for the edit. And also create the code for the delete. Public I action. This is delete. Imply is equal to find right. If model not is equal to null, then a model not equal to open parenthesis. If model not is equal to done, then underscore db dot imply dot remove model and underscore db dot save changes and return to direct to action. Direct to action index page. This is code for the delete. Save this code and run this code. In this page, create, delete, edit, and list. Go to the employee list, create, delete, edit, and list page. Then I have create one more data. Neela, address, US department ERP. Submit data. This data will not submitting. There is some issue. Yes, I check. Create address. Submit. Okay. Not going to the debugger also. There's something issue. Create. Submit. Just check the actually on here. Let's check the I close just Al's page. Employee index. And this is a employee. Just add the debugger on here. Check the value. What is coming? This this is great. Okay. Error or the error is coming. Mm, Data is equal to null. Then create C. Create. Create HTTP post with create. And the data submit or the so okay. I issue on here. This is a space. When I hit the space, then issue data not set in the view data. Just again run this code. To the employee page, create disable debugger. Play, create. Add this data on here. Okay. After that, I delete this data.
Okay.
First, I edit data. Click the edit. This is something issue. Also add the debugger on. Add debugger. Refresh. ID. Employee ID. Departments. There are two departments. On here is the item class plus data entity imply B model. Model type is a imply B model. But data I will pass in the I pass in on here is a model because on here this data is class type is a imply B model. But I
Yeah.
am passing
Okay.
on here is a data type
Mm-hmm.
is a imply. This is issue. Then I
Okay.
have passed model on here. Then again stop and run. Then go to the employee page. Then edit data and continue. Okay, Nila US ERP, correct?
Mm. Yeah.
And I change the ERP to IT and uh, submit. On here, data will as a test change on here, edit. Because I change this value, mm, create view data. Okay, on also here is a space.
Mm.
Then this is select. Then just update this data. Uh, this data both is IT. Then it is complete successfully. After that, I delete the data. I delete. Just I check the button. Disable. Edit. This will change. And after that, I delete the data. Data is deleted. Okay.
Okay.
Create, delete, edit, and list. Imply
Mm.
list page is completed. This is a complete uh, in code first approach with entity member core, creating
Okay.
department, employee, two table through the
Mm-hmm.
code first, and create, edit, delete in both department and employee, and department drop down. So in the employee list drop down and insert that and employee. All things in do in this lab. After that, I have do one more topic on here, mapper. Actually,
Okay.
mapper, what the mapper? Mapper suppose that key on here I have imply table. Imply table. I just show there is a imply table. Okay.
Okay.
This is imply table. And this is a imply view model.
Mm.
Okay. When data come from DB, this is data come from DB and set data in the data. And this is a model on there in mapper. No need to this code.
Okay.
This imply data set into the this model, this class model through the mapper.
Mm-hmm.
This is mapper. Okay,
Okay.
understand? I have
Yeah.
one
Yeah.
object in the CSR, one is table in the DB. Create
Mm-hmm.
implied table, both create the this imply and imply B model. And through the mapper, I set this value only I in through the one line. You set this DB object set to the
Mm-hmm.
C sharp object on
Okay.
front end.
Mm-hmm.
This is mapper.
Okay. Okay.
For for that, I just then continue or if you any issue.
Yeah, we can continue tomorrow.
Okay. Then it's
Yeah, I have to wake up morning 5 o'clock for my daughter's school.
okay.
Mm.
Okay. Then this is recording and this is complete. And tomorrow I have.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.